IVF failed again. What now? Have you been through multiple IVF cycles? Each one filled with injections, medications, and so much hope, only to be left with crushing disappointment. If that's your story, I want to speak to you today because maybe there's a missing link no one told you about. You are not alone. We meet patients every day who say things like, I've done everything the doctors asked. All my reports look fine. My embryos were good. The transfer went well. But still it didn't work. And the most heartbreaking part, they start blaming themselves. They wonder if they are cursed. Then they are exhausted physically, emotionally, and financially. And somewhere deep inside they are asking, should I give up? But let me ask you this. What if the problem isn't what you are being told to focus on? I am Dr. Mugdha Raut, a gynecologist and a clinical reproductive immunologist. We at Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology treat couples with unexplained repeated pregnancy loss, unexplained IVF failures, and unexplained infertility with the active immunomodulation ImmuLIT, which is a patented and branded process of our center, and other passive individualized reproductive immunomodulatory treatments. We have our centers in Mumbai and many other cities in India. And what we found over 2 decades of work is this. Sometimes the problem isn't with your eggs, sperm, or embryo. The problem lies in your immune system. Yes, your immune system. The same system that protects you from infections may be quietly rejecting your pregnancy. When a healthy embryo is transferred, your body is supposed to accept it. But in some women, the immune system becomes overactive or imbalanced. It starts seeing the embryo as a threat. And just like it would attack a virus, it attacks the pregnancy. This may not show up on your routine IVF tests. Your doctor may tell you your uterus is normal, your embryos are good quality, but still you're not conceiving or you're miscarrying early. That's when we know it's time to look deeper. It's time to evaluate your immune system. At our center, that is Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology, we investigate you with immunological tests. Lymphocyte cross-match helps to find out whether protective antibodies are there or not. NK cells and TNF alpha tests help to find out the immune imbalance. Antithyroid antibodies, that is anti-TPO and anti-thyroglobulin antibodies, are also checked. These investigations help to select couples who have alloimmune problem and who will be benefited by immunomodulatory treatments, especially the active immunomodulatory form or ImmuLIT. At our center, we've developed a process called ImmuLIT, a patented and branded process, a personalized immunomodulatory treatment based on your immune profile that I just mentioned. This isn't a one-size-fits-all therapy. We test, we analyze, we design a treatment that tells your body this embryo is safe, let it grow. We've had women who came to us after 4, 5 and even 6 failed IVF cycles. One woman told us this is our last chance. We can't go through it again. We investigated her immune system, identified a subtle alloimmune issue, gave her ImmuLIT, and she conceived in the very next IVF cycle. Today, she's a mother. This is not magic. This is science. The science of hope. So if your IVF has failed again, here's what not to do. Don't immediately switch IVF centers without finding the real reason. Don't blame yourself. Don't give up. Here's what you should do. Ask, has anyone checked my immune system? Consider getting an immune fertility assessment. Explore whether reproductive immunology and ImmuLIT could be the missing piece in your puzzle. There is a reason your body is saying no. Let us help you find it so it can finally say yes if you've reached the end of hope. This may be the beginning of your journey to parenthood. Reach out to us. Visit www.icprm.in or call on +91 9833 201522 to book your immune fertility consultation. Because at Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, we don't just treat fertility. We help your body believe in pregnancy again. From dreams to reality, Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology is always with you. Do like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology. We are asking you only one share. You never know, your one share may help a couple complete their dreams of having a baby. Thank you.